these are all turnips. There are tuber inside. You see. This one big, Dara. This one big. This one also big, mashallah. Ayan, oh. Bunutin. Bunutin natin. Ayan. Ito din. Bismillah. Ayan. So many turnips. Tubers. As you can see the leaves, it's very healthy. And this leaves is very good also to cook. And this one, tuber of turnip, very tasty if you mix in meat. This one, beef. And also these leaves, you can mix in any leaves. So today I will cook these turnips, tubers, and leaves, and I mix with potatoes. Ayan, ito yung mga leaves niya. So many tubers of turnips. Ayan, oh. Ayan, may malaki, there are small, and there are big. Every plants there are tubers, you see. Ayan, ito. Tingnan nyo itong leaves niya. Ayan. Masarap ito na gulayin. It's very tasty. And these turnips, benefits of this one is good for if you have this arthritis. These turnips. Ayan, mga ito. Maraming mga turnips dito. Ayan, oh. Ito, tingnan nyo ang leaves niya. Ayan. Ayan. May mga kamatis din dito, oh. Ayan, kamatis. Ayan, ito malaki, oh. Ayan. Pwede din ito kainin na fresh na salad, pero pwede din ito gulayin. Gulayin na lutuin, ihalo sa karne ng baka or miyuton yung karne ng kambing. Ayan, mga mga turnips. Ito yung kinuha namin. Marami na ito. Ayan, hahaluan ko ng patatas. Organic patatas, and itong dahon niya din ihalo ko din, masarap. So libre na ang aming pang-ulam for 3 meals, lunch, dinner, and then after and then the following day lunch, kasi we are not eating breakfast, just we eat only paratha with tea. So bali tatlong beses namin ulamin nito. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda ng dahon niya, parang mustard yung dahon niya, kaya pichay. Ayan. Ito naman yung isang pichay uli dito, oh. Ayan. And tingnan nyo itong J1 garlics, oh. Tinanim namin last August 14, malaki na. Ayan. Daming mga din dito, mga garlics. Ayan. Yan, mga turnips yan dyan. Nakikita nyo yan, mga dahon. Turnips tubers, fresh from the field or fresh from the garden with leaves. Ayan, bagong kuha. Fresh na fresh. Already cook our viand for lunch together with dinner. This is organic turnips tubers with the leaves, and I add also some potatoes, organic potatoes also. Also garlic, onions, tomatoes, organics. Alhamdulillah for all the foods.